Hi everyone, this is Nestle and you are watching the Helix Mattress unboxing video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Helix Dusk Mattress. Helix Sleep let you customize your mattress. You decide what type of firmness or elasticity, bounciness, coolness you will get from your mattress. But now, what they do is, with this new design, new mattress, complete new website, you can either fill out their quiz and answer questions and they will suggest you. You can also go and choose one of their 9 or 11 mattresses. They have plush mattress, 2 plush mattresses, 2 medium mattresses, and 2 firm mattresses, and 2 specialty dual comfort mattresses. They also have a heavy sleeper option mattress. So Helix Dusk mattress that I have now is 91 pounds and 10 inches. And we're gonna unbox right now. For more details, and especially after I sleep on it, for the full detailed Helix Dusk mattress review, then click the link below at the description or go to girlonthemattress.com.